Okay, so now we'll do a little bit more exploring of the fundamentals of Metasploit. One of the things to remember right off the bat is if you wish to save information within your database that's connected to Metasploit, then you need to do a few things. One of them is to actually start up the Postgres service. So as root, I'm going to run service PostgreSQL or PostgreSQL. I'm not sure how you'd want to pronounce that. And then we'll go ahead and start this up. This will get the database running in the background so that when we start our MSF console, we'll be able to verify that we're connected to the database. And that way, when we capture information from hosts or from scans or from other activity, it'll be saved in the database for later retrieval. And we'll explore a little bit about some of the capabilities that the database has as far as adding and removing information. Okay, so now I see that my database has started. So I have a couple of options here. One thing I can do is I can run the Metasploit framework from this nice little M shield icon here. This will open up a separate shell. It says the database is already configured, so I don't need to do that step. The first time you run Metasploit, you do have to run a dbinit command. And you'll notice that you get a nice little banner every time you start Metasploit. In fact, you can just type the banner command again if you want to just see some of the other options that are out there. Some of these are kind of humorous, a little bit entertaining. But anyway, I'm going to run my help command. And help command gives me a nice collection of all the different things I can do. And as we get through various portions of the course, we'll get to explore more and more of these possible options. As I was starting to say, if this is your first time running Metasploit, then you'll notice we have some database commands here. I've already set up my database, and we'll take a peek at what's involved there.